What's up guys, Nizo here. Today I got something really special to show you. Yes, we're at the paint shop, but it's not paint related. So for those who know, that sound quality bug bit me really hard. I've been really actively trying to sort things out with the new SQLite for the year. Last year I ordered some new amplifiers. They got stashed. I then had some new custom speakers being done for me. They finally arrived, so that's kind of what I wanted to show you. Anyway, without any further ado, yeah boy, yes, Elate Carbon Pros, first set in South Africa, set of Morels, 9.3. So it's the Pro series, 9 being the size of the mid bass. It's a 3-way, and okay, that's the active set, but while we're at it I decided to get the 3-way passives with it as well. So I'll show you that in a bit. Let's start with that, because that's like rather quick. So when you open it, comes with a manual, standard, all the info you need for using passives. I still don't know why I bought passives, because I run a fully active system, but anyway. There we go. So one thing I noticed is I've had a set of Morels. My first set of Elates I got maybe 15-20 years ago. It's the exact same shape, it's the exact same material, nothing's changed. The components inside have, now it's got Mondorf. That's the highest quality components that you can find, Mondorf caps. So the quality of the components, second to none. Really amazing. It's biampable. That means you can add, so that's your tweeter out, mid-range out, that's woofer out. So you'll see these bits are bridged, so you can put one set of inputs and then it's bridged to mid, tweeter, and when they say woofer it means mid bass. Or you can remove these and then one set of channels just for the mid bass and another set of channels for the mid and tweeter. And then it's obviously got its settings and so forth. There's Morel card. I got excited for the money these things cost. I thought, hey, you know what, maybe they're giving us a voucher of some sort. Oh man, there's no free lunches in life. There's nothing free. Some hardware bits and bobs, but that's it. On to the big bits. So just give me a moment. I actually needed 2 hands to get that off. That's the box. Let's chuck it there. Installation guide. I don't think anyone really wants to see this. We want to see the juicy bits. We'll come back to this in a bit, but it's got some cool handy info on how to install it. Truth be told, if you're working with this caliber of equipment, you should know how to install stuff, but do still always read the manual. And unleash the music. That's quite cool, eh? There's the monsters. So there's your tweeters, mids, and mid bass. That's 9-inch, 3-inch, 2. I think 2. Okay, let's start with my favorite, the mid. Well, I don't know if my favorite's the mid bass or the tweeter or the mid. It's got a super strong grill, really solid. Morel's one of the few companies that actually invest heavily in their grills, and it's important to have a good grill because resonance. When you start playing with big equipment, you'll understand how important it is to get rid of resonance. Look at that cone. Check that shape out. It's not flat. You can see it there. Full carbon fiber. Looks like a rubber surround. dig this diamond cut finish. Look at that motor. So I honestly expected it to be a lot bigger. I know I did look at the specs and stuff, but I just thought it was deeper. So I'm so over the moon that it's not. So it would actually work quite well in my doors. Look at the size of that voice coil. There are subwoofers with voice coils that size. Look at that. Looks to be a 3-inch coil. Motor's really nice. Imagine I had a gold tooth to match this. No, I'm not that dumb, but anyway. Yeah, these things just look phenomenal. It's a lot of airspace. Oh, these things are nice. Anyway, that's the Midbass. Let's have a, I'll put that in. There's a particular way it needs to go. I'll come back to that. Then comes the mid-range. These are really, really special. I absolutely love the grill. This lotus flower effect thing, the Morel. There's so much work that's gone into this. Really, really so much. And then the actual speaker itself. Oh, and see, again, they heavily invested in quality, because I mean, this is not just some plastic, it's proper metal, solid. And when the grill goes in it, it's quite a solid unit, which is important. You don't want buzzes and rattles with speakers. Again, carbon fiber cone. Really, really nice. Even the mid-range has a very big voice coil. So these things can take power, and I'm going to be putting power into it with the audio wave amplifiers. So the plan is I've got 3 audio wave amplifiers. The one amplifier will be bridged on this one speaker, the other on the other mid. The third one would run the tweeters, and then I've got about 250 RMS for each speaker there. So yeah, we're gonna put a bit of power. There's a lot of learning. So the thing is, with these new speakers, new car, new everything, I need at least a good year worth of learning. Oh, they also came out, these also come with a cool card. It's not a debit card, not anything, it's a warranty card. And then there's some hardware there. But let's look at the tweeter. Oh, these tweeters are so nice. So if you're familiar with the Morel Supremo, they have one of the best tweeters I've ever heard. And this is pretty much what I believe is an upgrade on the Supremo. So this is like a notch up on the old Supremos that we had. And it's the carbon Elate Alto. It's also a tuned rear cylinder, machined everything. The grill is magnetic. Removes and whoops. Okay, that's the not so cool part of having a magnetic grill. Pretty much exactly like the Piccolo tweeter. You can see from the side, it's quite a big tweeter. It's not a small thing at all. And again, I'm gonna have to put this, I'm gonna keep this apart and only do this when I'm off the phone. But yeah, there's the grills, nice matching grill. Would have been cool if the Midbass grill also matched the mid and tweeter, but I'm sure my homie Grant will come up with something cool for me, because he's gonna help me out with the doors. I do not have fabrication skills, so I need to get help from wherever I can to sort stuff out. Anyway, these are going into the car soon, hopefully next month sometime. There's still a couple of things I need to save up for, and yeah, I'm just glad they're here. And this is the first set. You definitely get a demo of it when it's up and running, but for now, let me get back to building. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching.